Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. Accompanying this is a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely Indium Grey colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, and in the lower portion of the bumper we'll find a set of front parking sensors. Across all four wheels we'll find a set of 16-inch Clayton Alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. Moving back towards the rear of the van we'll find a heated rear window, and helping you park and manoeuvre, just above the rear number plate we'll find a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Opening up the tailgate now and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with load lashing rings lined across the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle, where there's a step for easy access and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Moving into the cab itself, we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this, we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. Across and into the centre of the dash, we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect to all your favourite radio stations, including DAB, FM and AM radio stations. Alternatively, you can connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Bluetooth audio. Beneath this we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. Included is 2 front heated seats and climatic air conditioning. Throughout the rest of the cab we'll find a cup holder as well as 2 USB Type-C charging points. And in front of the driver of course we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, providing a unique and customizable driving experience. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.